Okay, so what we're going to go through right now is basically what you need to be able to do your work. I just went in my browser. This is on a Mac and this is with Safari, and I went to google.com/Chrome. I'm going to download Chrome. This is the best browser both for Mac as well as for Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. Okay, I can go ahead and close Safari, or if you were using Internet Explorer, go ahead and close that. Follow whatever directions it gives you for installing it. This is for a Mac, it's very simple. Okay, now I can get rid of it. Go to Chrome. And I'm actually going to pull it out so that it's on my dock. I'm going to choose Google. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to set it as my default browser. Yes. Start Google Chrome. Okay, the nice thing about Google Chrome is that there's only one bar here at the top, and you get to do whatever you want up there. You can search for things like electoral college, okay, or you can go ahead and put in a website to go there. Okay. So where we're going to go is I'm just going to open up a new little window here. Is this visit the Chrome web store, because we're going to add some things to our Chrome. So we're going to come down to extensions, and I'm going to search first off for dictionary, and we're going to get the Google dictionary. All I have to do is click on Add to Chrome, install. Okay, so it's installed. It's up here. I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to go to the extension options. And one of the things I want it to do is to display a pop-up when I have something highlighted. Okay, so that's saved. So I'm going to come back over here to the LA Times. I'm just going to refresh it. And I'm going to go emergency. It gives me the definition.
Emergency.
I click on it and it gives me how to pronounce things. So this is great for any sort of article that you're reading. Let's go up here to we're fine. Okay, next off, we're going to look for Evernote. And we want the extensions, and so here's the extension. Evernote's great. What this is basically a multimedia notebook for you to be able to store everything that you find all over the place. And you see that they have versions for OS X, for Mac, for Windows, and then also for the iPad, iPhone, iTouch, Android, Android tablet, Windows Phone 7, BlackBerry, Palm Pre, and Evernote Peak. So there's lots of stuff that they have here. So you can download the desktop version as well as the one for the web. So I'm going to, I need to go to the options, and so I'm just right-clicked on it and go to options. And one of the things that I wanted to do is use simultaneous search, and I'll show you what that does in just a minute. Okay, options saved. I need to sign in. So if you haven't, you need to create an account. It's very easy. Okay. I'm into my account now. So let's go to an article. So let's go to U.S. politics. And let's see here. Obama keeps focus on jobs while addressing vets. That looks good. Okay. So I can come up here and click on the Evernote icon. And now you see it's pulled the title. It's going to put it in a notebook, and I already have notebooks that are named. I'm going to put it in President. I'm going to add some tags here. I'm going to put Obama, jobs, economy. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the clip article. Clipping. Okay, I want to take a look at it. Here is the article, just with the text in it. So if I want to make some changes, the details I can see here are the tags that I tagged it with. When I created it, here's the link to the website that I got it from, and it is there. The nice thing about Evernote as well is, let's go to local neighborhoods. Let's go to Arlington Heights. I used to live there. Heard gunshots all the time. And I wanted to take a look at these graphs. I want to use them later on. So what I'm going to do is I can highlight them. And once I have things highlighted, right click on it and click on Clip to Evernote. And I'm going to do Clip Selection. Again, I can take a look at it. And here's exactly what I wanted. I've got the website listed. Oh, I don't want it to be in President. It always takes the last one, so I'm going to click on Edit. Show details. I'm going to change this to Schools Project. I'm going to add some tags here. This is income, Arlington Heights. Okay. And that's it. Click done. It's saved. It's in there for me. Okay. Right here. Add to Chrome. Install. Okay. Come back over to Arlington Heights. Okay, I need to refresh this page. So I need to be patient. Okay, so I need to sign in first. Okay, so what I can do is I found that this was something I wanted to highlight, so I can go ahead and do blue. Now it's on highlight. It's been highlighted. I can put in a sticky note, and I can move it on down to here, and I'll say large number of residents without a high school education. And I can have it private just for myself, so I will be the only one that sees it, or if I'm working in a group or something and I've invited them to it, so different groups and things, I can share it. And so when they come to this site, they'll see both my highlights as well as the posts. So boom, there it is. Go away. So I can also bookmark this site. Bookmarking it is the title. I can put in a description I want. Again, tags, very important. This is mapping, Los Angeles, Arlington Heights. I'm going to add it to the list, schools project, and I'm going to save the bookmark. So what I can do now is go to my library, and we'll see, here it is. So here's the thing that I highlighted. Here's my note that I put on the page as well. Okay. Lastly, we're going to look for a screen capture. And the one that you're going to look for is this one, Quick Markup. Add to Chrome, install. Okay. This is one I really like. Again, I just need to reload this page. Say I wanted to actually clip this map right here. So I'm going to come up, click on this. I'm going to say capture selected area. Then I get to move this around. Move it over a little bit more. There we go. Capture. Here's what I got. I can do some markup if I want. So I can add different things to it. I can crop it if I want to. I can put a little annotation on it. So for instance, I can do that and put in high crime area. Okay, then I'm ready. I'm going to save. I'll save it as a PNG. I'll call this Arlington Heights map. I'm just have it go on my desktop right now because we'll come back and use it later. Save. There it is. Okay. And basically, you can go through and look at, add different extensions that you want. There's some great ones. Not all of them do I use, but I actually use some more. And I'm going to show you another thing that you can do with Chrome. Click on the wrench, and I'm going to go to Preferences, Personal Stuff, and we'll set up sync. This allows me to, if I have, say, my work computer and my laptop and different things, I can make sure that all my bookmarks and everything stay the same, regardless of where I make changes. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my password. Okay, and we'll sync everything. Now watch what happens up here. You can see it added my bookmarks up along here, added some more extensions that I use, changed the theme to something else. So, and this is one way of keeping everything consistent across your computers.